Book of Heaven, Volume 12, September 3rd, 1919. Fusing oneself in Jesus balances the reparations. I was lamenting to my sweet Jesus about my poor state and how I have remained like a useless being who does no good. So what is the purpose of my life? And my lovable Jesus told me,
"My daughter, the purpose of your life is known to me, and it is not up to you to investigate it. Know, however, that your mere fusing yourself in me every day, and several times a day, serves to maintain the balance of all the reparations. Because only one who enters into me and takes from me the origin of everything she does can balance the reparations of everyone and of everything. She can balance the glory of the Father on the part of creatures because, since in me there is an eternal origin, an eternal will, I was able to balance everything, satisfaction, reparation, and complete glory of the Celestial Father on the part of all. So, as you enter into me, you come to renew the balance of all the reparations and of the glory of the Eternal Majesty. And do you think this is little? Don't you yourself feel that you cannot do without it, and that I do not leave you if before I do not see you fuse yourself in all my single parts, to receive from you the balance of all the reparations, as you substitute in the name of the whole human family? Try as much as you can to repair me for everything. If you knew how much good the world receives when a soul without a shadow of personal interest, but only for love of me, rises between heaven and earth and, united with me, balances the reparations of all.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.